Hello, everyone, and welcome to another tutorial with Wilkes University. My name is Kelly, and I'm going to be your tour guide today as I help you navigate the Wilkes portal and find financial information, including how to set up a payment plan and, of course, financial aid. So when you first log into the Wilkes portal, you're automatically going to be taken to the home page. The way that you can tell you're on the home page is it will be highlighted in yellow. If you are on the student page, that box would be highlighted in yellow. But we want to go ahead now and go to the student page. So go ahead, select the drop down under student with student services, and it should take you to a whole other page. Here in the middle of the page, you should see my account. There's also, of course, many options here, as far as blue bands with white lettering and lots of other options underneath. But we're going to go ahead and focus on my account for now. So under my account, you'll find many details here regarding e-statements like invoices, installment plans, tuition. There's a bunch of different information in here, but just to point out a few important items. So view invoice, e-statement, that's where you will go to see your bill. You'll also, under account activity and current balance, if you've made payments on your account, this is where you would go to see what your current remaining balance is going to be. Moving down, you'll see installment payment plans. This is where you're going to go to set up an interest-free monthly payment plan if you are interested in doing that to help you pay for your tuition. Under here, you see employer tuition deferment. Here is where you will go if you do need a tuition deferment agreement form to send to your employer if you have assistance or tuition reimbursement. So moving down, we want to go ahead and look under My Financial Aid. I know many of you will be planning to use the federal student aid option for funding your education. So if you do choose to fill out the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid, and you have completed your master promissory note and your loan entrance counseling form, you may have a financial aid award waiting for you. Here, you'll go ahead and click My Financial Aid Information. A new page should open. In here, you will see there's general financial aid questions in terms of like who you would contact if you should have any. There's also contact information for another individual here too, in case you ever need to get in contact with the Office of Student Financial Services. Under that, you'll see incomplete or missing documents. If you click that, you will see if there's anything that could be missing that may be preventing you from receiving a financial aid award. Here, go ahead and click Award Letter. And you'll see two options. One is Award by Term and Award History. If you go ahead and click Award by Term, you should be able to select which academic year you're interested in viewing and then hit Submit. Now, because I'm not a student and I have not applied for financial aid, I do not have an award here. If you are planning on using financial aid, and again, you've completed the correct FAFSA year application and the master promissory note and loan entrance counseling form, you should have an award here. You will not have an award, however, unless you are an accepted student. You can access the portal and you've paid your deposit. Going backwards, again, under My Financial Aid, that's where you would find financial aid information. Now, if you do need the master promissory note, loan entrance counseling form, you would find that under financial aid forms. And that concludes today's presentation on how to navigate the portal to find financial details. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. If you need anything at all, always reach out. We are more than happy to help.